In this small section, we're going to cover how we can use Nmap in our advantage to be able to bypass some of the security measures that the target might have, such as firewalls and IDS. These options that we will use in Nmap can be considered advanced, so don't worry if you don't fully understand everything that we talked about in next few videos. Just make sure that in case there is something that you didn't understand, rewatch a video a few times and you will get it. But wait, Alexa, I don't even know what firewall or IDS is. So what are they? Well, firewall is a network security system that monitors network traffic, and it is based on the security rules that are predetermined. There are two types of firewalls: network firewalls and host-based firewalls. Network firewalls filter traffic between two or more networks, while host-based firewalls only filter traffic that is going in or out from that specific machine. And what IDS is intrusion detection system. It is usually a software application that monitors the network for any malicious activity. For example, some of the Nmap scans that we did in the previous section can get caught by intrusion detection system. So in this section, we will check out a few options that could help us bypass that. All in all, firewall and IDS helps us secure our network or machine. In the previous section, where we covered Nmap basics, we used our Kali Linux machine and we scanned our metasploitable target. We scanned different ports, and with the scans that we did, we managed to figure out what ports are open and what ports are closed. But some of our targets might host services on ports hiding behind the firewall. And once we scan them, it will tell us those ports are filtered, which we know that it means Nmap can't figure out whether that port is open or closed. What this means is that we're sending packets to that target, but their firewall keeps dropping those packets. And in this section, we're going to see what Nmap options can help us in bypassing this. Let's get straight into it.